Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and today we're showing you our 2019 Chevy Malibu, a car that come out of Phoenix, Arizona, so pretty nice shape. You see a little bit of clear coat cracking right there, but mostly a pretty nice shape car. A few lighter scratches just because of being black. Power seat, power windows and locks. Got remote start, 2 remotes. Interior's in nice shape. Oh, that got wrecked when it was somebody rolled down a window. See there, they had to fix the seat in one spot. A little bit of a scratch right here. And then typical, people set stuff up on the trunk. A lot of that would buff out. Same deal on the bumpers. That's just part of a 100,000 mile car. One little thing right here. And then we put a 12-month, 12,000 mile comprehensive warranty on it. Suspension, steering, fuel, AC, electrical, drivetrain. Probably the best coverage anybody's given you. So 605-692-7010.